Please like, share and subscribe. Cactus flowers are the blossoms of various species of cacti, which are succulent plants native to arid regions of the Americas. While cacti are known for their spines and ability to thrive in harsh desert conditions, many of them also produce stunning and often brightly colored flowers. Here are some key characteristics and facts about cactus flowers. 1. Variety of species. There are thousands of species of cacti, and they can produce a wide range of flower shapes, sizes, and colors. Some common cactus genera known for their flowers include Echinopsis, Phaerocactus, Gymnocalycium, and Mammillaria, among others. 2. Adaptations for pollination. Cactus flowers have evolved various adaptations to attract pollinators in their arid environments. These can include vibrant colors, strong fragrances, and specialized shapes to accommodate specific pollinators like bees, moths, or birds. 3. Blooming period. The blooming period for cactus flowers varies depending on the species and local climate conditions. Some cacti produce flowers in the spring, while others may bloom in late summer or early fall. 4. Appearance. Cactus flowers come in a wide array of shapes and colors. They can be solitary or appear in clusters. Some cactus flowers are large and showy, while others are small and more discreet. 5. Short blooming period. Most cactus flowers have a relatively short blooming period, often lasting only a few days to a couple of weeks. However, some cacti may produce multiple blooms throughout the growing season. 6. Fragrance. Some cactus flowers are known for their pleasant fragrance, which can range from subtle to quite strong. The fragrance may be especially pronounced at night to attract nocturnal pollinators. 7. Pollinators. Depending on the species, cactus flowers can be pollinated by various animals, including bees, butterflies, moths, hummingbirds, and bats. Some cacti are even adapted for specialized pollinators, like bats in desert regions. 8. Fruits. After successful pollination, cactus flowers develop into fruits. These fruits are typically fleshy and may contain seeds. Birds and mammals often consume these fruits, helping to disperse the seeds. 9. Cultural significance. Cacti and their flowers have cultural significance for various indigenous peoples of the Americas. They have been used in traditional medicine, food, and rituals for centuries. 10. Ornamental use. Many cacti with attractive flowers are cultivated for ornamental purposes. They are popular among succulent enthusiasts and gardeners in regions with a suitable climate. 11. Conservation. Some species of cacti are threatened by habitat loss, overcollection, and climate change. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these unique plants and their ecosystems. Cactus flowers are not only visually striking but also play a vital role in the ecology of arid regions, providing food for pollinators and helping to support local wildlife. They are a fascinating and beautiful aspect of the diverse world of succulent plants.